Bill and Ted 3 is finally happening with Keanu Reeves, with Alex Winter, and it's called Bill and Ted Face the Music. It's coming 27 years after 1991's Bill and Ted's Bogus Journey. Original creators Chris Matheson and Ed Solomon have written the script, with Dean Parisot, who directed Galaxy Quest and Red 2. Steven Soderbergh is serving as an executive producer. So it's currently in pre-production. Bill and Ted Face the Music will see the duo long past their days as time-travelling teenagers and now weighed down by middle age and the responsibilities of family. They've written thousands of tunes, but they have yet to write a good one, much less the greatest song ever written. With the fabric of time and space tearing around them, a visitor from the future warns our heroes that only their song can save life as we know it. Out of luck and fresh out of inspiration, Bill and Ted set out on a time travel adventure to seek the song that will set their world right and bring the harmony in the universe as we know it. Together, with the aid of their daughters, a new crop of historical figures, and some sympathetic music legends, they find much, much more than just a song. "We couldn't be more excited to get the whole band back together again," said Reeves and Winter. Chris and Ed wrote an amazing script, and with Dean at the helm, we've got a dream team. So yeah, finally, Bill and Ted 3, or as the title goes, Bill and Ted Face the Music, is finally happening. So Keanu Reeves, he's busy filming John Wick Chapter 3, which comes out next year. And then sometime after that, we'll get Bill and Ted sequel. And it'll be great to see Alex Winter back as well, because he's done some pretty awesome documentaries like Deep Web, Downloaded. You can certainly check them out. But it's a shame that we won't get to see George Carlin. He passed away 10 years ago. He played Rufus in the previous movies. But guys, let me know in the comments below how you feel about this news of Bill and Ted Face the Music. Click that like button, share, and of course subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Shaker, and I'll catch you next time.